Did I film this look? You betcha. Isn't it fun? This is kind of the vacation makeup that I would wear. Not beach vacation, but say we went somewhere tropical and we were going out to dinner. I would put on these earrings and then I would put on this makeup and then this is what I would wear. And yes, again, I did film it. Thursdays we talk about things that I've used, that I've absolutely loved, or things that didn't work out. There hasn't been a lot not working out recently. So first we're going to talk about some bronzers that I've discovered. I'm going to give you two options. The first option is going to be a more expensive option, but this Jones Road bronzer, it's in the shade Dusty Rose, and you're like, what the heck? It's very, very pigmented. And if you're fair, you're going to love this. But also, listen, I'm not fair. I'm hopping over into that medium skin tone right now. Just using this with bronzers that you might already have that are too orange. Why waste the bronzers that we have? So if you have one, say MAC Give Me Sun is pumpkin on me. This is pumpkin patch. If I were to top it with this, I could use it and it wouldn't be wasted. So I highly recommend this going into your collection. But I understand it's a spicy price. I have another option. So something on the more affordable side is this one from Physicians Formula, and you're about to see why. Do you see that pink that's in there? That is going to be fantastic. And then you'll notice these splotches have a lot of red in them. So this is going to kind of, I don't want to say it's a complete perfect dupe, but in the realm of being, if you're fair or if you want to correct bronzers, or if you just like bronzers that have a little bit more pink, a little bit more red, because on me, the sun would naturally turn me red anyways, say if it hit here, or if it hit here, I would look a little bit more red. So if you look for a bronzer like that, you're gonna love this one. But out of all of my bronzers, this is still my favorite bronzer, the Mob Beauty one, M36. It is just the perfect, not too dusty, not too red. It's just gorgeous. It's still my absolute favorite, way more than the Gucci one. We love that it's refillable, cruelty-free, all of it. And this one isn't scented, so I can't brag about this one enough, honestly. The lipstick that I have on, I know y'all are gonna ask, do you see these pretty sparkles? And it feels so luscious. I wouldn't wanna call it a frost because it's not a true frost, but what it is, it's a TikTok ad that absolutely got me. It got me good. Now I've lost it. Hang on. It's from Runway Cosmetics. The shade is called Go See, and this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I think y'all are gonna get sick of seeing me wear it. And then the lip liner I have on, hang on, I'll show you that in the next slide, but Jean, quit being a goblin. I'm trying to show my lipstick. It's so pretty. And it's really, really, really comfortable. I'm so happy. The TikTok ad, it was a good purchase. And then the lip liner is Savvy Sienna from Buxom. It's their Power Line lip liner. I just thought it was so pretty with it. I can't stop staring at it. It is so sparkly. So this isn't makeup related, but I got these sunglasses. They are from Otra, and I love them. Okay, they were sent to me, but I cannot stop wearing them, and I feel like an old Hollywood starlet in them. Aren't they fun? Honestly, Jean, do you just want to take over the tutorial? Little goblin, but I just love them so much. I thought they were so cute, and I wanted to show them to you. And yes, I already filmed a video on, I know we're all wanting to wear our sunglasses in the summer, as we should. Gotta keep them eyes protected. But if we're having the transfer, I'm gonna show you. I already filmed a video on it. I got you. Next up, these blushes from Maven Beauty. I have used, okay, so I have all of these. I got 3 more I need to try. I'm so excited. But the one that I have on today is the shade Crush, which I will link this shade. And then the one that I've been using is the shade Plush, which is the more pinky to pink shade. Love it. Again, Plush is this one, and then the one that's linked is this one, and I'm gonna show it to you. It's called Crush, and that's what I have on here. I just think the formula, I don't know why people aren't talking about this. I just want to talk about those daggum Dior blushes. There's really nice things out there that people aren't using. I guess that's what I'm here for. By the way, they are only $8.99, and that is more affordable than those L'Oreal blushes that I purchased the other day, and I like these way better. Go get them. So this is a very spicy priced item, and you know what? Sometimes I feel guilty for enjoying things that do cost an arm and a leg and an eyelash. But I will say I am truly enjoying this. I use it all of the time. If I'm just wanting to just throw on some color on my lips, it's beautiful. Yes, there are other colors very similar to this one. I'm going to swatch it for you on the back of my hand. There are lots of colors that are this really nice raspberry, deep blackberry color. But I will say that at least for this price, I'm getting 4 hours of wear out of it. And that's a lot for a lip balm. So 4 hours of wear time alone without a lip liner, just sitting on my lips. And then I feel like it kind of stains them a little bit too. So yes, very spicy price, but I mean, I have to tell y'all what I'm enjoying, and I am enjoying this. I will say, I'm not telling y'all to absolutely run out and buy it, but did I enjoy it? Very much so. That palette that I used in my last YouTube tutorial, this is really, really nice. The quality was fantastic. I am going to use it again. Oh Lord, heck is about to break loose. Hang on. Look at that. Now I haven't used this. I bought this myself too. I bought the palette and this. I haven't used this yet, but I'm excited to. So stay tuned for that. Why am I doing that? Something else I've been using, I don't know if I've talked about it. I might be, but I just want to remind y'all, because I did just get a DM about it, is this, the Milk Makeup Eye Primer. So I don't want y'all to think of this like clean canvas or really any eye primer that you've ever used. When I use this one, I like to use it because I'm wanting to see my skin peeking through. I actually don't have it on right now. You'll see what I have on. I have it on a shadow stick right now. All that being said, it's a really different technique, and it's more, you can still use your neutrals, you can use your everyday with it, but I think I need to do a tutorial here kind of explaining it more and even giving y'all some more tips on it. Because I was, one of my sweet supporters here, they did just mention that it has really bad reviews, and there's a learning curve. There's definitely a learning curve, and I think we need to talk through it, but I love it. What else have I been loving? Those blushes. Ooh! I love makeup. And I love, you know what? Because we have such an amazing bond, y'all make me love makeup even more because we love it together. And it's like I just have this huge family that just gets just as excited over a glittery eyeshadow as I do. And honestly, I wake up with a smile on my face knowing that I get to hang out with y'all and talk to y'all and talk about makeup. I'm gonna get a little teary-eyed, hang on. I love y'all. Okay, so I've been loving these Fenty Beauty lip stains. I'm trying to look for the other one. RUNNOFT. But I love them. I love pairing them with a lip liner and then putting a gloss on top. And then it lasts, this lasts 12 hours. So if you're wanting something really long lasting, but I do like to dress it up with that lip liner and a little bit of gloss. We'll do more looks with it. In fact, I want to get more colors, but Stila just sent me some lip stains, which I haven't tried them yet, but we'll have more colors. These are the Stila ones that I was talking about. I don't know about them. I don't want to send y'all to go check them out yet, but I'm really excited for them. Okay. We're excited. So we'll do that with the lip liner and then we'll do it with the gloss. I'm excited. Okay, so I haven't tried this yet, but it literally just came in the mail and I wanted to show it to y'all. This is that Viral Purple Blush from Kulfi. I'm so excited. I'm opening it right now. I can't put it on because I'm going to film something else and I already have blush on. Kind of want to take my makeup off just to try this, but we have hands to swatch it on. Screams in Goblin. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so pretty. Look at how it blends out. And oh, okay. Luscious. I am so excited. So I still love the Mario formula, but I will say I haven't been reaching for it like I thought I would be. I love it. It's so pretty. And I'm going to remind myself, but you know what? I haven't been reaching for it like I thought that I would. But I'm going to keep y'all updated on it because I really did like the formula. I will say again, that it's not going to pair with a very full coverage foundation. It will separate it because it is just so wet. And I know that Mario applies it on top of powders, but y'all, Mario's a professional. he even understands how to hold that brush, exactly how much to pick up. He can just feel that. So for someone starting out on their makeup journey or even in the middle of their makeup journey, I'm going to tell y'all to be careful with that technique. So I don't want to overwhelm y'all, so I think that is everything. But don't forget, there are videos on YouTube, and then we'll have another one going up tomorrow. The content. There's a lot of it. And then I'll have this one done at some point. And then right now, I'm about to hop off and finish filming that video about the sunglasses and transfer. I'm excited. So much to do. Kind of want to take this off and even film another makeup look. Let's do it. All right, that's going to be it for today. I love doing these, but also I don't like doing too much because then I just feel like it gets overwhelming. And I really wanted to be specific. Those are the things that I have absolutely been loving. So we wanted to be specific with that. So I love you all so much, and I cannot wait to post the sunglass one. Let me go finish that, and I'll see you in the comments tonight.